Hello guys, welcome to Magical Drawing Adventure when you guys learn and you guys have fun with drawing. Alright, in today's video we're going to draw blueberry. So let's start. Yes, prepare your pencil and let's go guys. Okay, at the beginning we will draw like this. So from here you can draw like this. Right, then after that you draw like this. Right, then you draw like this. Okay, once you have this shape, then you need to give like some black like this, and then after that you going to make like this. This is the leaf and another one. All right, okay, then you can have some like this. All right, like this and like this. Right, then next one is we give a small eyes like this. We're going for smile eyes, smile face, then we go like this. Right, after that we give a red color, okay, for the shy expression. So I suggest you to make like this here. All right, then the other one is here. All right, okay guys, so okay, this is done. So next steps we going to give color to the blueberry and then the leaf. Then I will speed up the video and you can guys follow the coloring process. Okay, right, let's go. Okay guys, this is the blueberry looks like. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Hope you guys also learn how to draw a blueberry, and until next video, see you guys and don't forget to subscribe. Bye bye. Thank you guys.